Okay, I found a couple beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. That's right, you really don't need a whole lot of related experience in these positions. One of them you're going to confirm patient appointments, and the other one you're going to manage data, do a whole bunch of data entry. So let's get right into them. So let's start off with an intake specialist position with the company Isaac Health. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And in this role, you'll be the first point of contact for patients, ensuring a smooth and welcoming experience. You'll be responsible for confirming appointments, organizing patient information, and troubleshooting telehealth visit issues. So you'll manage and confirm patient appointments via phone, email, and the company's scheduling system, and I'm willing to bet they'll train you on that. You'll collect, verify, and organize patient intake information and support patients in setting up for their telehealth visits, which includes basic tech troubleshooting. So you need to be organized, you can manage your time well, you have excellent communication and interpersonal skills, you're comfortable using digital platforms and basic troubleshooting, you're familiar with Zoom, EMRs, and online forms. They prefer, but they don't require. They prefer you have experience in a healthcare or telehealth environment. Again, it's just preferred, it's not required. You can multitask in a fast-paced remote setting. You need a high school diploma or equivalent, and it's a plus, but it's not required. It's a plus you have an associate's or a bachelor's degree. And I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the job description because at the very top they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $40,000 to $46,000 per year. So our next beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with the company Molina Healthcare. No stranger to this channel. They always seem to have pretty decent entry-level work-from-home jobs available. And the job I'm sharing today is for an associate analyst provider configuration. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. No location restrictions. So what you're going to do in this job is receive provider information from outside parties, and you'll load that information into the company's internal computer system, ensuring information has been provided and entry is completed timely and in accordance with department standards related to turnaround times and quality. So in other words, you're going to gather information and enter it into the system. You'll do a whole lot of data entry. They want you to have at least 1 year experience in healthcare, preferably in a customer provider services setting or equivalent combination of relevant education and experience. And then of course you need all your typical soft skills, including you're comfortable using computers and you're familiar with Microsoft Office programs. And as far as the salary, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $16.23 up to $35.17 per hour. Now, a lot of jobs do want you to be comfortable using or at least familiar with Microsoft and or Google products. If you're not familiar with those products, or you just want to brush up on the skills you already have with them, check out the link in the description area below this video. I have a list of some really good free resources where you can learn Microsoft and Google products, you can learn medical terminology, you can even learn how to use Salesforce and do basic coding. I encourage you to check it out. So that's all I have for you in this video. Hopefully one of these beginner-friendly, very entry-level work-from-home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more opportunities, maybe you want something that starts in April or you want a work-from-home job that will train you, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.